Thank you so much for picking up one of our new Hyperlink systems. In this video, we'll go over all the individual adapters, how to use them, and how to install our Hyperlink onto your glass. Each system will come with a bag full of different adapters that can be used in different ways with different size glass. Each Hyperlink will come with these plugs pre-installed. These can be used for storage and can also be used when you want to clean your hose out. Simply add ISO to the hose, plug each end, give it a shake, and rinse. Next, we're going to go over how to install the Hyperlink onto your top. First up on the list is the Zach Harrison top. What you're going to want to do is grab one of these clear silicone threaders and install it just to where it's barely holding on. And once you have that done, you can grab either side of the Hyperlink and we're going to insert it. You're going to push it and thread. Now once you no longer see the threader, you'll know you're done. Give it a few quick tugs to make sure that it's secure. And that's going to be it for this one. Now we're going to move into installing a 10mm or 14mm adapter to your Hyperlink. So what you're going to want to do is pick up this black rubber grommet and thread it into the opposite end of your Hyperlink. Once you have it seated, we're going to go ahead and pick up the piece of glass, insert it directly into the center until it's snug, and that'll give you an airtight seal. Now we'll move on to a larger adapter like this one. This one has a barb fitting on one end, which is going to require a slightly larger adapter like this one right here. So you're going to take this and thread it right into the inlet, just like the last adapters. You're going to keep going until you see that the adapter is flush with the top of the inlet, just like this. And now you're going to grab your glass adapter and insert that just like the last one. Once the glass fitting is fully installed, you'll find that you're left with an airtight seal. And while we have this adapter on our Hyperlink, we're going to move right into installing it onto a Puffco Peak Pro. Now with this device, you'll find that most of the tops have the same size inlet, so we're just going to press the adapter onto the top, and that's going to be it. Give it a spin and give it a few tugs just to make sure that it's nice and snug, and that's going to be it for this one. Next up are the Dr. Dabber devices that all use a barb fitting for install. So using the same adapter, we're just going to go ahead and push it in. The link is fully seated, and that's going to be it. Very easy and simple install. This works across both the Boost Evo and the Switch. And now the highlight of this system is being able to connect your electronic device to your analog rig, which we really feel elevates the entire experience. Now moving back to the smaller adapter, we're going to show you what to do with the mouthpiece that comes with every kit. And that looks like this. Now whether you're on your own or you're with a group of people, if you like dry tops and you want to skip the rig, this is for you. Install the Hyperlink back on your device and you now have an extended mouthpiece that you can use for a variety of different applications. We hope you enjoyed the video. We hope it was informative. If you still have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at any time and we'll be happy to help.